Hello, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we will study about the warning sign of cancer. We can remember it by the trick, that is, remember it by the word that is caution. C-A-U-T-I-O-N. By this trick, we can remember the signs of warning signs of cancer. It is also called as universal sign of cancer. C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Okay, we'll see here. C stands for change in bowel and bladder habit. Change in bowel and bladder habit. Bladder habits. And then A stands for ulcer or sore that do not heal. And then U stands for unusual discharge or bleeding. Unusual discharge or bleeding. And then T stands for thickening of lump or mass. Thickening of lump or mass. And then I stands for indigestion and dysphagia. Dysphagia is nothing but there will be the impairment in the speech. And then O stands for obvious change in wart or mole. And then here N stands for necrosis and nagging cough or hoarseness sound. Here nagging cough is nothing but it's a persistent cough that lasts longer than 8 weeks. That is nagging cough. This is the word. By this word we can remember the warning signs or the universal signs of cancer. That is C stands for change in bowel and bladder habits. It is. And then ulcer also that do not heal. And then unusual discharge or bleeding. And then thickening of lump or mass. And then indigestion and dysphagia. Dysphagia is nothing but there is an impairment in speech. And then obvious change in wart or mole. And then necrosis, nagging cough or hoarseness sound. This is all about the warning signs or universal sign of cancer. Thank you.